In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy planes in Mad City Chapter 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire both of these aerial vehicles. So you have the standard plane, which is this one on the left, and you have this one, which is more like a jet, known as the Falcon. So I'm gonna teach you how to acquire both of these planes and essentially this jet in Mad City Chapter 2. So both of them can be found on the MCX airport. So what you have to do in order to purchase them is to go to the MCX airport. Once you arrive here, you will find them usually on this bay area or in one of the hangars. So go roughly to this location here. Now, first, the plane is going to be the slowest aerial vehicle. However, it is going to cost you only 350,000 cash. So it is going to be considerably cheaper than the Falcon. Once you purchase it, you will be able to use it to fly around, and you can find it on the MCX airport next to the Falcon hangar. The Falcon, on the other hand, is going to be faster. The acceleration is very good. However, it is going to cost you 1,000,000 cash. So it is much more expensive than the plane. Choose according to how much cash you have available and depending on how fast you want to fly. The plane is going to cost 350,000 cash, while the Falcon costs 1,000,000. And like I said, both of them can be found on the hangars and the MCX airport. They will be next to each other. So go over to the MCX airport. Once you find the plane hangar, you will see the Falcon right beside it. So choose whichever one you prefer and you will be able to purchase them directly in Mad City Chapter 2. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy planes in Mad City Chapter 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.